Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. It is very disheartening to upload this video about the recent crash of Russian Antonov An-26 twin-engine plane in Russia's Far East. To be more precise, the Antonov An-26 twin-engine turboprop was en route from the regional capital to a village called Palana when it lost contact with air traffic control. Based on few other sources, the wreckage of Antonov An-26 was found near the airport in the town of Palana, and the plane was on approach in fog and clouds when it missed a scheduled communication and disappeared from radar. It is said that parts of the plane were found about 3 miles from the airport's runway, and part of the fuselage was found on the side of a mountain, and the other part was floating in the sea. Coming to the deaths, it looks like all 28 people on board this Soviet era plane that crashed are feared dead. Out of these 28 members, 22 of them were passengers and 6 of them were crew members. No bodies were found yet, and there is no official confirmation on the death due to nightfall affecting the search and rescue efforts in that particular area. Russia's Emergency Ministry and Civil Aviation Authority has confirmed that the crash site has been found, and they have deployed a Mi-8 helicopter to the site for search and rescue operation. They also released a photograph that showed a team of rescuers scanning the search area while on board the Mi-8 chopper. It looks like the plane's scattered debris were found in the sea and even on the land. As of now, the reason behind this crash is not yet confirmed. It could be due to bad weather, or malfunctioning parts or engines, or a pilot's error. The investigations are underway to determine the exact root cause behind this particular problem. So let's expect the relevant search and rescue team do their task and rescue the bodies and also relevant evidence which will help in identifying the root cause behind the problem. I'll be uploading another video once I come across more details behind the root cause about this particular crash. Thanks for watching.